Hello my dear YouTube friends. In this video I am comparing three of the most iconic bags from three of the top fashion houses in the world. Let's start with the Lady Dior bag. This bag is timeless, very elegant. The craftsmanship with the Cannage stitching is amazing. Mine is in silver hardware and in black lambskin leather. As we all know, the lamb leather is very delicate, but let's be honest, that's what makes it so beautiful. The Lady Dior bag has feet at the bottom. As you can see, I still managed to scratch the bottom of my bag. One of the things a lot of people don't like is when you set your bag down, the handles don't stay up, but it doesn't bother me at all. Okay, let's check out the inside of this beautiful bag. The Lady Dior has a flap closure, and the inside of the bag is made of suede. And what I love about this bag, it comes with an adjustable strap. You can wear it on your shoulder or wear it crossbody. The inside of the bag has a small compartment in the front and a zipper pocket in the back. I like to share something interesting about the Lady Dior bag. If you hold your bag on the side and let the handles drop, you will see the initials CD for Christian Dior. Okay, now we're gonna check to see what fits in this beautiful bag. I have a Louis Vuitton mini pochette, which I have my face powder, a lip gloss, and a hand cream in it. I'm gonna try to put that in first. Okay, it fits easily. Then I have a wallet, which is a large size wallet, but it's kind of flat. Then I have my Chanel card holder. I have a hand sanitizer spray and a bulky car key. Everything fits there perfectly, and then we close the flap. Next bag is the Louis Vuitton Capucines in BB size. It is in textured leather, so the leather is very durable and scratch resistant. This bag has a flap closure, and as you can see, you can have the flap out to cover the logo if you don't want it to show. This bag comes with an adjustable strap, which you can use it as a shoulder bag or wear it crossbody. As I mentioned before, this bag has a flap closure. The interior of the bag is in leather. In this combination, the inside is pink leather. It has a zipper in the back and a middle divider. This bag has feet at the bottom to prevent it from getting scratched. Now it's time to see what fits in this beautiful bag. We are using the exact items that we used in the previous bag. First, I'm going to place the larger size wallet, and then the overpacked Chanel card holder, and then the Louis Vuitton mini pochette, which easily fits in there. I have the hand sanitizer spray and the car key. So everything fits there perfectly. Next, we have the Chanel Coco handle in medium size. The shape is very similar to the Capucine. The sides are A-line shape. It has a back pocket, but it's very small, so your phone is not going to fit there. This bag comes with a chain leather strap. It is more of a shoulder strap. You can wear it crossbody, but it would sit very high. As you can see, the strap is detachable like the other two bags, but this one is not adjustable. This specific bag has the lizard handle, and as you can see, this is the only bag between three that has a lock closure. The interior of the bag is in burgundy color leather. It has a small zipper in the back and a zipper divider in the middle and two small pockets in the front. As it was expected, the bottom of the bag has feet to prevent it from getting scratched. Okay, let's see what fits in our last bag. We're going to try to fit the exact same items that we tried in the other two bags. First, we're going to put the larger size wallet in the back pocket. Next, we have the Louis Vuitton mini pochette. We're going to put that in the front pocket. Then we have the overpacked Chanel card holder. We put that in the front pocket as well. Then we have the hand sanitizer spray. We put that in the back pocket. Then we have the car key, which we can put it in the back or the front pocket. And the flap closes easily. I have listed some of the pros and cons of all three bags based on what is important to me when I'm purchasing the bag. All three bags are iconic and beautiful. You can use them day or night. You can dress them up or down. But if I had to only pick one, it would be the Lady Dior. It is timeless and I feel like I'm holding on to a piece of history. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.